class for the student of class 1 students. And our today's topic, Unit 8, word meaning and synonym antonym. Look at the board, my dear students. This is from annual class 1 subject English literature, means English lit or English literature. Topic Unit 8, word meaning plus synonym antonym. Lecture number 11. Homework number 7, and this is your teacher's name Sonia and Joya, and this is my mobile number, and this is today's date. So my students, let's start our today's topic. Class 1 subject English literature, topic word meaning, synonym, antonym, and this is Unit 8, the talking toy. Unit 8, the talking toy. Unit 8, the talking toy. Word meaning and synonym. Word meaning, here are 3 word meaning. Number 1, show, to display. Show, to display. Number 2, welcome, to greet someone. Welcome, to greet someone. Welcome, to greet someone. And number 3, praise, to push something. Praise, to push something. Praise, to push something. So this is word meaning 3. Show, welcome, praise. Again I am saying, show means to display, welcome means to greet someone, praise means to push something. Next topic, synonym and antonym. Synonym and antonym. Here first word, then you have to write synonym, then you have to write antonym. First you have to pick up this word, then write synonym, then write antonym. Word, ill. Synonym is sick and antonym is well. So ill, sick, well. Ill word, main word ill, synonym is sick and antonym is well. And number 2, come. Main word is come, and come synonym is arrive and antonym is go. Come synonym is arrive and antonym is go. And last one is take. Take is the main word and its synonym is receive and antonym is give. Take synonym is receive and antonym is give. Again saying, word ill, synonym is sick, antonym is well. Then come, synonym is arrive and antonym is go. And take, synonym is receive and antonym is give. So my students, this is the today's topic, word meaning and synonym antonym. My dear students, and in your homework number 7, and here is your homework, word meaning and synonym and antonym. Word meaning, synonym and antonym. These both are your homeworks. Word meaning and synonym antonym both are homework. And your homework number 7, homework synonym, word meaning and synonym antonym. Again I am saying homework number 7, your homework topic, word meaning and synonym antonym. So my students, I hope all of you students have understood this topic. See you again, inshallah.